Fellas. Fellas. Let's. Who is ready? 1 minute. 1 minute. All right, 3, 2, 1. Bang. What? Where the fuck am I? What the fuck? Wait. Where am I? Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Poof. There we are. Hello. Sorry. How's everyone's day going so far? I didn't mean to do that. I'm being dead ass. All right, let's lock in, guys. We got a good session to do. We got a PM session to make some money on. Money. Let's run it. AM session has done absolutely nothing. Green screen. Facts. It's totally a green screen. All right. Here we go, chat. Shaboner. We got no Apex. It's not Apex, it's Trade of 8, guys. Why are you guys saying Apex is down? It's Trade of 8 that's down. What are you talking about? It's not the firm. It's the broker. It was not down. Apex is not down. Trade of 8 is down. Oh my gosh. There's actually some sped people in here, bro. I swear. Bro's trying to argue with me. If it's down. It's Trade of 8 that's down, not Apex, guys. Apex is a firm. That they have no control over what the broker Trade of 8 does. But we're waiting for price action to rebalance a little bit. You see that we pushed down lower. We have FOMC at 2 p.m., so that could cause some nice commotion there. But so far, it looks like we're retracing a little bit, and then we're going to turn up higher. But I think FOMC is going to be great. I logged into Apex. I'm on Apex right now. Not at all mystic. I saw your leaked stuff, but I won't say anything. Chat, apparently I'm leaked. Apparently I'm leaked, chat. Apparently I'm leaked. My Fun of Futures, I don't know, brother. Apex is 90% off right now, though. Not 80, it's 90. Shrimp SMC, hey, yo. There's so many fake accounts, bro. There's actually so many fake accounts with me. It's insane. And people need to do these social medias need to do something about it. That daily chart looks bearish. Oof. But it completely ripped right past today. Right past that. Oh my gosh, that's not accurate, is it? Yeah, all-time highs, baby. We're going for that. Bro. I need a fucking mosquito. I need to close this. All-time highs are coming. Right now we're waiting for FOMC with the NASDAQ chat. Yes, Omar. Wait, let me just check if Tradeovate's not working.
Order filled.
It's working. Tradeovate's working fine. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm logging into Tradeovate. I won't trade my Apex accounts though today. It's working. It's working now. How to pass funded with FOMC. How to blow up the moon. I don't fucking know. Like, what? If it was that easy, everyone would do it. Yeah, I'm going to tell you exactly how to pass it. You have to do this, you have to do that, and do that. I can't do anything about the bot accounts with me. But, listen. I think we're going to push down lower until FOMC. I think FOMC is going to rip us up higher. We're rebalancing, heavy manipulating prior. My orders are going through. Guys, do you want to see a hint of something that I'm doing? No, actually, I can't do it. I can't hint it yet. Nah, I actually can't. I can't. I'm sorry, chat. I blue balled y'all. I just realized that there's information on there that I can't get, like, crop out. Wait, maybe I can screenshot it? How do I screenshot? There. Chat. Just a hint. Just a hint. Just a hint. Trader, it's working for me, yeah. Trump said something? No way. Trump said something, bro. No way. I'm not making my own prop firm. You cooked. I'm definitely not doing that. Trump said Benjamin SMC's cooked. Uh-oh. You want to know why the real my name is Benjamin SMC, guys? You want to know why the name's Benjamin SMC? It's because whenever anyone wants to talk shit, I'm like, Benjamin, suck my... I'm kidding. It's Benjamin SMC for Smart Money Concepts. Hey, bro, I saw your 100-pound weight loss transformation. Mad respect. Thank you. I appreciate it. Patience, guys. Patience. I saw the top 5 unprofitable videos. I know it's no, you don't need to leave a hate comment, bro. It's it's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke video. Okay. Making your own prop firm is not the way to go. I know. That's why I'm not doing that. Patience, guys. Patience. Apex is not working for me. I don't know. Things are down right now. But I mean, honestly, you're not missing that much, guys. It'll probably be fixed before FOMC. Patience. Patience, fellas. One second. One second. Damn, gold's ripping. Gold has been pretty volatile recently, low-key. I don't know if I would have held this long. 21R. I think FOMC with NQ is going to be huge. I think FOMC is going to be huge today, chat. Honestly. Honestly. 1 second, chat. Okay. We're good. How am I going to trade FOMC? I have different accounts other than Apex. It's basically ICC's model. What do you mean? Reporting Bitcoin short. What is Bitcoin at right now, chat? Oh, remember my generational Bitcoin short, chat? Who remembers my generational Bitcoin short? Literally calling the high. Who remembers when I put in my short at 123K and held it to 90K? Who remembers this, bro? This one was one of the craziest shorts I think I've ever done in my life. This one is absolutely crazy. That is down. The video's up almost 2% though. Markets are very indecisive right now. Intel's up 10%. Okay, hello. Yeah, nothing crazy. Platinum's up 3%. Yeah. If. I'm looking for long, chat. You see we're below midnight open and we have all these highs rested. Like, look at this. Look at all of this. Prior to FOMC. Look at all of these highs. And now we're below midnight open. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. Bro, it's so obvious it's going to rip up higher. They're going to cut rates. I was going to buy and decided to wait because of your short. And I was like, damn, Ben was right. Waiting is always the best option. 300K account, I believe, is like 37 bucks with code Ben right now. It's 90% off. And no consistency rule as well if you use code Ben. Hey. Guys, should I do an IRL stream today? After PM session, should I go to the beach and do an IRL stream on TikTok? Oh, speaking of TikTok, I need to go live on TikTok. Speaking of that, John. Am I upping risk today? No, definitely not. Cutting risk today. Haven't taken a single trade yet today. Can't wait till Ben becomes profitable and I can say I've been there. What are you talking about till Ben becomes profitable? Fuck you. Apex is 6 or trade of 8. Nice. Guys, we're live on YT. What advice on trading 20, 25 KPA accounts? Give me profit, daily goal, and my... 25K, I would say trade at least a 50K account for 20 of them, but I would say the most you should risk is $150 per trade, brother. 90% off the Apex Trader funding with code Ben. Right now, I'm risking $500 for a trade. Yeah, IRL stream, I need to drain the pipe. Okay, yo. What the fuck? $1,500 until 20K payout across 10 50Ks. Let's go, brother. Apex is 90% off, not 80 right now. Why do I advertise Apex when it's that shit? Search up the #1 most profitable, most trustworthy firm. Search up the #1 firm in the whole entire future space, and then search up the firm that's been lasting the longest, and search up the competition, and you'll see that Apex makes 200% more than their other than the #2, and it's been around for 5 years longer than the second place. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not going to promote a firm that was made 5 months ago. That just has cheap accounts and non-sustainable rules that are going to go under the water, just like funding ticks. It's back up and running. Nice. They're getting ready to pay out a $5 million to a trader, literally, bro. Yeah, he's about to get a $5 million payout on it. No, I do not trade ICC. That's just bullshit. Patience, guys. Guys, I'm live on YT, by the way. Benjamin SMC on YT. Too much fucking rules. You don't know how to trade then if you think that, brother. Apex is the closest you get to trading live funds at a hedge fund. These rules are rules that just prevent you from being from gambling. Caught cells at the top. Nice, brother. Show the chart. Watch me on YT. I'm live on YT if you want to watch the charts. The trading drawdown is not bullshit, brother. It prevents you from making a lot of money at first if you're a gambler. But if you build a buffer, there's no trailing drawdown after. All you need to do is build a buffer, just like a normal trader. The only reason why people don't like Apex is because they don't know how to trade consistently and they're a gambler and they get bailouts. The #1 prop firm traders in the world are all trading on Apex. Jade Cap, $2.3 million payout. Brian Stonk about to get a $5 million payout. It's all done on Apex. Right now, there's nothing crazy going on in the markets. We're in a consolidation, but we do need to be patient. We have FOMC coming up soon. Thoughts on Peps? Don't do it. Patience, patience, patience. Am I Somalian? Yes. Am I projected to make 60K? What are you talking about? In what? If you don't pass your Apex, yes, there's a renewal fee. There's a month time limit. But once you pass it, it's one-time fee, and then you don't pay anything. What do I have a filter on? I do? How do I turn it off? I don't know. I don't see a filter. I'm going to train FOMC right after FOMC. Waiting for FOMC to play out. Not for the first 5. Then there's no payout cap on Apex. You can get $5 million, $10 million payout. Hey, yo, YAD. Does Apex have non-activation fees? Bro, their accounts are $19. They're going to have an activation fee. Sometimes, guys, getting something, you're not going to find something that's $10. And if you do, it's not going to be good. Patience is everything, guys, right now. By the way, I'm live on YouTube, guys. If you want to watch me and watch me trade on the charts, you can search me up on Benjamin SMC on YT. Is there a certain amount you have to make per day? No. Get rid of the goatee? Hell no. Yeah. FOMC like CPI. CPI is consumer price index. FOMC is interest rates. That's literally the only answer you need. If you don't know what that means, study about it. I personally think FOMC is going to be bullish. Bro, I have a 250K funded account and I've only gotten 40% in only 6 months. How do I increase returns? Only 40%? Gang. You know how much the S&P does in 6 months? The S&P on average does 7 to 8% a year, maybe even 6% a year. And you did 40% in 6 months and you're unhappy. Okay. You're going for the social media type of returns, and that's not how you become profitable. Hey, brother, just hopping by to wish you a good vacation. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I lost a lot of money. I lost probably around like 14K before I became profitable. Does it rip like CPI? It depends, brother. There's no correlation in between the two of why it rips. Like, there's no... FOMC does move. If it wants to. Sometimes it doesn't. I'm on the charts right now, live on YouTube, brother. Take a look at the 4 hour. I saw the 4 hour. It's so bullish, bro. Guys, look at all these highs engineered before FOMC. Look at midnight open, how we dip below it. Look at all of this. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution to the upside. TikTok, YouTube is not 5 minutes behind, brother. That's your stream. You got to refresh it. Just got to refresh it. Just got to be patient, guys. There's nothing to engage in right now. Yes, Maui. What's up, Canyon? FOMC is the actual actions by the Fed in response to CPI. Yes, not just by the response to CPI. Like, cutting rates is overall. You know what I mean? It's not just based off of CPI's data. Again, it factors into it, but the Feds aren't cutting rates just because of the CPI. I stream every trade I take? Yep. How old were you when you took my helmet off? Okay. Bro, I don't wear a helmet, man. I do not wear a helmet when I walk around the house. I don't know what you're talking about. Apex for the PA fees, I believe, is like $75. And right now it's like $19 for a 50K. It's 90% off with code Ben. Hey, 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 hey. We just got to be patient, chat. FOMC is going to go crazy, bro. FOMC is going to go crazy. Gotta make sure my trade is locked in though. One second. Beautiful. They're cutting rates because I said so, bro. Facts. Only if they ask you SP. Guys, I'm on YouTube. If you want to watch, if you want me to re-chat and you want to see my screen, follow me on, subscribe to me on YouTube. You can watch my streams there. What is Apex consistency rule? 30%. They do accept Amex cards, I'm pretty sure. Who's WBJ? List the top 5 biggest prop firm payouts and find me one firm that isn't Apex on that list. Then come back and talk to me. Like, it's a no-brainer. Search up the top 5 biggest prop firm payouts in history and find one other firm that's not Apex on that list. You can't. Apex, Alpha, Lucid, Take Profit, Trade, My Friend, Future, Toss Up. None of them have the top 5 largest prop firm payouts. It's every single payout from number 1 to 5 is all from Apex. And there's about to be a new number 1 with Bryant Stonk. Really, the markets are really consolidating right now. How may payout till Apex moves to live? It depends on your trading. Why don't I show the charts? Brother, I'm live on YouTube. It says it in the title. Coded, the 90% discount is over on the 4th. Thank you for knowledge, Ben. I am about to full port for the full sign. No, shut the fuck up. Yo, you're not going to full port, and that is not because of me. No. I thought it was a heart-filled message for a second, and then I just read that. Ben said the full port. Definitely not. How much is 50K Apex? $19 for the evaluation, $75 for the PA fee once you pass. Thank you, Camelot. Bro, Dan. I'm full polaring and blaming you if I lose anything. That sounds like this strat. Am I from Canada? Yeah. Okay, man, you stop spamming, bro. Yeah, brother just got timed out by Camelot. Brother, you've been in my stream. You know better. Come on. We just got to be patient, guys. Where you at right now? Punta Cana. 10 minutes. Insurance sales? I'm not in insurance sales. What are you talking about? Who's in insurance sales? Who the fuck? Where the fuck did insurance sales come from? He's on the island right now. Okay, brother. Do I know any Toronto traders? Yeah. You know Day, who created the quarterly theories from Brampton. Please give me mentorship. I am 25 years old, suffering Ghana. I don't have a mentorship, brother. I'm sorry. I don't have a mentorship. I don't have a course. I don't have anything. I'm sorry, brother. How much money would you give for a hot dog from Montreal Station? From Station Hot Dog, you mean? Brother, Station Hot Dog in Montreal is the shit. I've been profitable for longer than you. Congratulations. Fuck. Want a cookie? Dude, FOMC affect gold? It affects everything. Many United States markets. I gotta work. I can't, cause I can't use US confluence. How should I think during FOMC? You should be thinking about other things than trading. Just if you gotta work, don't be trading while you're working. TradeVate's working? Yep. Guys, we're live on YT. How much do I aim for at 19? You need to aim for happiness. That's what you need to aim for. Don't worry about how much I make. What's with all the haters? I don't see any haters. I don't know what you're talking about. I need a lobster roll. Not gonna lie, but lobster rolls are overrated. What does my code do for Apex? It gets you 90% off all evaluations. Code Ben. What laptop do I use for trading? It's called the Lenovo Legion. All right, chat. We got 8 minutes. Beautiful reaction. Any specific Legion, you just got to look at the specs in it, like the GPU and the CPU. Make sure you get that, like an NVIDIA 4070 or something. And then get a good CPU and good RAM. But I'm at the point where my PA is getting really good, and now my main thing is my psychology, and you just need a system to grow it. You need to study your system, and then your psychology follows once you have the confidence in your in the studying that you've done. You've seen this before? Yeah, me too, low key. I've seen price action push down like this before. That's why I'm bullish. Like I do think we're gonna wipe out all these highs here at FOMC, or we just continue the consolidation. But I do think this is chopping and waiting for that FOMC mark, and we're gonna rip up to these highs, or maybe in the power hour at 3. I think we're gonna have a good FOMC here. I know Ben got a dump truck. Okay. Ben, look at Discord. I can't. I'm streaming on TikTok. My phone's occupied. Keep talking. I'm almost finished. Okay. I love the Apex shirt. Thank you, brother. The Apex shirt. Gotta rep the 90% off sale right now. That was zesty as fuck. Yo, TikTok, bro. Yo. I can't look at Discord right now. Guys, I'm live on YT. Benjamin SMC on YT. Just got another PA with them. I like Apex. Let's go, brother. Dawn, your rage bait is actually so dookie today. Usually it's better. As Montrealer, how bad do you rank the Toronto English accent? It's annoying. It's just kids. I'm not an ICT hater. What are you talking about? Just got to be patient, guys. Wait for the right opportunity. Wait for the right timing, and you're going to catch something. We have FOMC in 5 minutes. Okay, now it's cold, bro. Benjamin, you need a full-time cinematographer duo? What the fuck is a cinematographer? Let's go find shit. What's up? No sharing screen. I'm live on YouTube. It says it in the title. I'm not gonna do IRL streams just yet. I'm not big enough, but I will do like vlogs. Where was I born in Montreal? No, but my whole family was. Why no screen share on TikTok? Oh my gosh, if one other person asks me this question, I'm gonna crash out. Read my title. Fuck. Yo. Content creator. Oh, so like a cameraman. Ben, I'm 400 pounds. Congratulations. 450 next. If you use code Ben, any account size, there's no consistency rule in the Combine. As long as you use code Ben. It also gives you 90% off right now with Apex. Why not both? Because I want to funnel people to YouTube. It's better than TikTok. TikTok's toxic. Oh, fuck. I accidentally just closed something. Wait, chat, are we gonna hit, everyone go subscribe right now. We're almost at 15,000 subscribers, bro. Almost at 15,000 subscribers right now. Chat, we have the #1. Aside from Patrick Weiland, we have the #1 stream right now. So we have the #2 stream. Patrick Weiland. #2 p.m. streaming, guys. But we're at #1 on recommended. That's pretty sick. All the other ones are view botted, like this random stock market live with 8K viewers. That's view botted. But and Top Step does not count. That's like 18 people in a company that's streaming. And bro, have y'all noticed that Top Step streams never win? Like they be always eating shit, bro. I don't know why mans be watching that. You know how many firms have asked me to be their main trader on their streaming account? Like, one of the firms, I'm not going to say what, they're like, we want you to be our main streamer. We want you to stop streaming AM session on your account and stream it on ours. So I was like, okay, how much you want to pay me? Like, minimum, I need 200K a month. And they're like, oh, we could start with 5K a month. I was like, I don't even want to, like, bro, that is the most stingiest shit I've ever heard. But the thing is these firms, they can't access big traders. Like, the big, good streaming traders, they have their own platform. So what these firms do is they hire traders that are not that good and then put them on their stream because they can hire them for cheap. And that's what their streamers are doing. So you see these firm traders and you're just like... Sometimes there's one-offs. Like, I know some traders who trade for firms and they're okay, but like they're good. But majority of the times the people that trade for firms on their live streams are just dookie. Activation fees, $75, and it's 90% off for the valuation with code Ben right now. Guys, I'm live on YouTube right now. One minute, chat. It's probably not going to react for a little bit, though. It's not like CPI where it just, like, opens and rips. It could be sometimes, but... Jerome's got to get on and talk. Should we watch it, chat? Why are you capping? I'm trading for MMFU, and most of us have over 90% win rate. Show me proof of a long-term 90% win rate, and I will shut up and I will publicly apologize. Patience is everything, guys. Look at that wick right there. I'm telling you, it's going higher. Buy oil? You buy oil, did you? What are you talking about, buy oil? You buy oil. How much tax should we be paying on our payouts? Well, it depends on where you live, gang. Ben owns the oil industry. Crazy wicks, I know, but I still think we're gonna clear up and push up higher here. Give it some time. Give it some time, guys. Everybody, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We got one of the largest day trading streams in the world. I've been trading for 6 years. I stream every AM and PM sessions, and then Asian on TikTok. Make sure to smack that subscribe button. Help support me. If 200 people subscribed right now who's watching, I will hit 15K subscribers. How many trades have I taken today? 0. We've been disciplined the whole day. Wow, man, this FOMC was dookie. Adrian, one more time and you're getting timed out. Oh, you got timed out. Camelot's on a sniper today, bro. Chat, W Camelot, bro. Bro's sniping today. Am I banned from Canada? Yeah, bro. I'm banned from my country. You gotta be doing some dumb shit to get banned from a whole ass country, man. Guys, I'm thinking on moving temporarily for like 5 months to Florida, to the Keys. What do you think? Like, what do you think getting like a little hut on Key West? And then a boat. Like a little house, like one of those blue houses. I know interest rate, it's unchanged. Bro, what's up with people spamming today, man? Just make sure internet's good, of course. Internet will be fine. It's the United States. Beautiful reaction, though, chat, but it's still in that little bit of a consolidation here. Like, still nothing to engage in right now. See, it trades up higher. Does it take anything? No, it just creates equal highs. Doesn't trade to the 1 hour for value gap. Just creates equal highs there. Does look like it wants it. Looks like it wants to sell off a little bit more, but still, I don't know. I'm not too fond on taking shorts right now. Just gotta be patient. By the way, guys, Apex is 90% off with code Ben. Do not miss out. Make sure you can get up to 20 accounts and get rid of the consistency rule if you use code Ben as well. Can I use code Ben for more than one account? Yes, you can use it 20 times. You can get up to 20 accounts. You can use it as many times as you want, but you can get up to 20 accounts at once. Make sure you get the trade evade option, though. Yeah, hey, better reaction there. Manipulation at the FOMC open. If we turn up and break this and go above midnight open, we can get a nice ass long here, chat. Targeting these highs, which is ideal. We can get a nice ass long. Activation fee, $75 for the smaller accounts, $125 for the bigger ones. Ow, bro, I have mosquito bites all over me. Oh, that's why, you dick. Ooh, I got it. Ew. They need a screen. Why is someone from Leesburg, Georgia calling me? You're so beautiful. Thank you. Not in the PA counts, in the evaluations cold. All right, I'm gonna name some states. If you guys are in there, type 1. Or I'll name some. I'm gonna name some places. Ready? Barrie, Ontario, Canada. Windsor. Pakistan. Guys, gotta just be patient. Gotta be patient. The FOMC just opened. Give it a little bit of time, then we'll catch something beautiful here. Leesburg, Georgia. Milwaukee. Brampton. Ugh. Yo, the mosquitoes here are deadly. Like, one bite will leave like a fucking this big of a bump on you. Oh. Why doesn't Canada allow fishing in Florida? What the fuck are you talking about? What do you mean? Guys, I just want to get a trade today, man. Like, I'm so trade deprived. I'm on MNQ. You're not a real rancher. Oh my gosh, not that guy again, remember? Yes, Joe. Patience is everything, guys. You cannot get a good setup if you're not patient. That's just how life is. That's all she wrote. Why not WEC trade if that making more money? Lol, 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 lol. What, Manu? I actually lose brain cells reading his shit, bro. Power of 3 on ES. I'm looking for longs here, bro. I'm telling you, I'm waiting for this to clear up, and we're catching some longs. Ugh. All right, Camelot, timeout menu for 10. Give him a snipe. Is Camelot not in here anymore? There we go. Good snipe, brother. And timeout this guy for 5 as well. Najili. Session disconnected. W Camelot chat. So I fucking. Yeah, we gotta be patient, guys. Gotta be patient. I think we can get along very soon, though. We just need to break above this high, and then we're chilling. Cam wants to be a silent weapon right now, bro. No, bro is not talking. He's just sniping, man. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Thank you, Bobby, for the roast. Guys, we're live on YT, by the way. Really no reaction right now yet, chat. Don't chase into anything. Really don't chase into anything. It's just chopping. Let's see what gold's doing. Same thing. Gold is expands and then just chops. The chop of doom. But I think Powell's speaking right now. Powell. Right? Hold on. It starts at 2:30. He's not speaking. Chat, 2:30, I think, is when the markets are going to go. He speaks at 2:30. You should go to India. Oh, Flip, how's it going, brother? We're live on YT, by the way. We're live on YT. Gotta be patient, guys. Gotta be patient. Oh, I just closed. Shit. Hold on, chat. Oh, shit. Wait. Hold on. I gotta lock in here. All right. Ben, do you believe in the flat earth? Brother. Some rabbit hole shit. Flip, do a flip. Flip's a G, guys. Check him out. He streams. Little Ben would not last a day here in Zimbabwe. I probably wouldn't, brother. I probably wouldn't. Oh my gosh, bro. Why is this thing so annoying? You in Florida? Nope, not yet. I'll be there on Friday. But how many payouts are capped on at 2K? What do you mean capped at 2K? Just ask ChatGPT, brother. Really nothing crazy right now, guys. There's absolutely nothing crazy going on right now. I'm going to grab a water, chat. 1 second. Protect me. Watch the charts. Making an espresso. I'm making an espresso, chat. I need energy. Scared the shit out of me, bro. Ben in Miami is like the penguin in the desert. Bro, literally. Nah, I'm not trading gold right now. Alright, I need to get my espresso now. That's a big ass espresso, bro. One little pot of Nespresso, and this is a whole cup. Like, can you see it's to here? Like, what? Bro, a whole little Nespresso pod gives me that much espresso. That's like gotta be like a... That's gotta be like 5, 6, even 7 espresso. Don't you dare, bro. Gamble, gamble, gamble. Oh no, Apex needs video proof when you get payouts. Oh no. Like the fuck? MFF is definitely not the best for him, bro. You full porting? Nope. Nope, not full porting. Gats to be patient. Guys, I'm live on YT, by the way. Chat, we have the second largest YouTube stream right now. On trading. Like, if we search up day trading, I'm recommended as number 1, but Patrick Weiland has 4.3k viewers, and then there's me with 1.2. I'm not counting the fucking... I'm not counting Top Steps channel. Damn, we got more than Tanya. Okay. I see it, chat. I respect the love. Ow! That's just water. I drank that shit like it was Gatorade. Ow! All right, chat. We gotta look. We gotta break out of this. I believe that like 2:30 is gonna do that though. No, don't get anyone stream banned. What are you talking about? Why would you get someone stream banned? Am I full porting FOMC? No. Guys, I'm live on YT. One second, chat. One secondo. Absolutely nothing going on right now. You just got to be patient, guys. Just got to be patient. Meta crashed? Oh no. What are you talking about? No, it didn't. It's down 0.3. Why the fuck you rage baiting me like that, bro? Ben, you're one of the best trader streamers out there. The amount of help my mind has gotten out of risk management under your belt is a lot. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. I'm in Putzicana, brother. Guys, by the way, Apex is 90% off with code Ben. Huge deal going on right now. Code Ben also gets rid of the consistency rule in the Combine. Put it at checkout, and it will be activated. Get up to 20 accounts. Make sure you do the Trade of 8 version, though. Or the Rhythmic for a Ninja Trader, but don't get wealth charts. Like, I swear, too many people be saying, oh, I'm going to get wealth charts. And it's so bad. I don't even know why it's a thing. Thank you for doing what you're doing for the LGBT. Okay. Fuck you, bro. Told ya you missed the whole move. What are you talking about? Missed what move? Look at the fucking... What move are you talking about? What's wrong with wealth charts? It's so bad. You're telling me you prefer wealth charts over Trade of It? Ew, this espresso is disgusting. Ugh. Oh, you know what? Oh. Actually, today I bought 2 accounts, 50K using code Ben. Let's go, brother. Why do I sound like Obama? Because I am him. Obama. Obama. 10 minutes, chat. 10 minutes until we got that FOMC speech. Ninja Trader is good sometimes. Mitch, thank you for the roses, brother. Guys, I'm live on YT. Oh, I actually feel disgusting now. Oh, it's actually disgusting. Oh, it's like sitting right here. Ugh. I'm giving roses to struggling streamers. It's really that bad, Isaac. By the way, guys, we're live on YT. If you want to see my stream, see everything, I'm on YT. Like what someone put in my Discord. Okay, you guys are actually gonna make me log into my Discord here just to look at this. What did you put? Yo, Splash. That's a wild face. Volume is lower than usual. How about now? Hey Ben, I quit my job to become a full-time trader, and it has been really the best decision I've ever made. Your streams really motivate me to get on the charts. Hey brother, congratulations. I'm glad you're doing good. Where am I? What time is it? It's 3:21 for me right now. Guys, we got about 8 minutes. Take on Lucid. I've never used them before. Patience is absolutely everything, guys. Trust the process. Patience, patience, patience. We're going to get it right. But we'll pull up the stream at 2:30. Chat, type 1 if you want me to pull up the FOMC stream at 2:30. Or if you want us just to have the charts and nothing else. Okay, I'll pull up the stream. But it'll be on YouTube, guys, not on TikTok. You gotta watch me on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Yeah, I actually feel sick. I actually feel sick from that espresso. Oof. Oof. Brother, turn up your volume. My mic is pretty loud. Hey, Forex Psych. Forex Psych? I think I always mispronounce your name. Keep crushing it, Ben. Here's a 5 spot to buy a club soda at the same reaches. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Brother, these cardboard waters are $8. Thank you for the $5, brother. Got 2:30's coming up. 8 minutes, chat. 8 minutes. 8 minutos. 8 minutos. My friend, what's up, my friend? Volume profile of the ICT? No. Why am I buying them? Because what other option do I have? I'm not drinking no tap water here. You crazy? Use your code on Funded Next today. Thank you, brother. Ben, did you ever leave the resort? Like, get off property? No. Chat, I spent like $250 on water. I live in Toronto, brother. Toronto, Canada. We're going to get that expansion, chat. We have about 7 minutes till FOMC here. The meeting minutes. Which is usually where shit happens. Shit gets down. Shit gets dirty. 2:30, shit gets dirty. 30. Hey! No, I didn't mean that. I didn't say that for you to give me another $3. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you. I did not mean to say it's $8 for you to give me $8. You know what I mean. I appreciate it. Thank you for the $8, brother. W. Ike. Go smoke a gar? I definitely will. I found these really nice ones up there, and they come with like a cedar wrapped around it, and when you light the cedar, oh my gosh. They're like $200 each, though, so it's pretty crazy. Emotionally manipulating your viewers for $3 and you're supposed to be profitable. Before Camelot bans you. Yo, Camelot does not be... he just typed, actually. I was about to say, Camelot not be saying anything, and he's just sitting there hovering over the sniper. He's just like, sees the guy spamming, timed out. We'll pull up the Fed stream in 5 minutes, chat. Or maybe right now. Let me see. I've been on mute. How long have I been on mute, guys? Not that long? I'm mudded. 4 minutes, chat. 4 minutes. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. So today, I want to talk about the economic state of the world. Just a timer, bro. We've been waiting for this chop just for this FOMC meeting minutes, man. Oh, it's good afternoon. I mean, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. I thought you were black. Brother. Don't let it happen again. I'm sorry. I think we're going to get a nice trade, though. I do think we're going to have something. We have not taken a trade yet all day today. We're tired. We had a really good day yesterday, though. Is that a coconut tree? Yeah, palm tree. But there's no coconuts. I wonder why. Is it not in season? I actually feel sick from that coffee. Guys, I'm live on YT. Do I use fair value gap indicator? Definitely not. All right, I'm going to pull up that FOMC stream, and I'm going to get it like in the proper formation for you guys. 1 second. Like, how should I be doing this? Like, 1 second. Like this. Sideways like that. Kind of like this. Nah, it should be the other way, like this. Yeah. Hold on, chat. We gotta lock in because I want to give you guys a good view here. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm trying, chat. I'm trying. I really am. Is that good? I'm live on YT, guys. Or should we do it the other way? I think we should do it the other way. I think we should do this. So then I can expand this up higher. Like that. We do this. Do that. Boom. There we go. There we go. No, mini player doesn't work. I'm on a browser, brother. Oh, here he is. I want to listen to the good afternoon, everybody. I gotta turn off the fucking music. Bro, there's so many tabs on right now. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Here he is. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Oh!
My colleagues and I remain squarely focused on achieving our dual mandate goals of maximum employment and stable prices for the benefit of the American people. The U.S. economy expanded at a solid pace last year and is coming into 2026 on a firm footing. While job gains have remained low, the unemployment rate has shown some signs of stabilization, and inflation remains somewhat elevated.
It's quiet.
In support of our goals,
that
today
better?
the Federal Open Market Committee decided to leave our policy rate unchanged. Having lowered our policy rate by 75 basis points over the course of our previous 3 meetings, we see the current stance of monetary policy as appropriate to promote progress toward both our maximum employment and 2% inflation goals. I will have more to say about monetary policy after briefly reviewing economic developments. Available indicators suggest that economic activity has been expanding at a solid pace. Consumer spending has been resilient, and business fixed investment has continued to expand. In contrast, activity in the housing sector has remained weak. The temporary shutdown of the federal government likely weighed on economic activity last quarter, but these effects should be reversed as the reopening boosts growth this quarter. In the labor market, indicators suggest that conditions may be stabilizing after a period of gradual softening. The unemployment rate was 4.4% in December and has changed little in recent months. Job gains have remained low. Total non-farm payrolls declined at an average pace of 22,000 per month over the last 3 months. Excluding government employment, private payrolls rose at an average pace of 29,000 per month. A good part of the slowing in the pace of job growth over the past year reflects a decline in the growth of the labor force due to lower immigration and labor force participation, though labor demand has clearly softened as well. Other indicators, including openings, layoffs, hiring, and nominal wage growth, show little change in recent months. Inflation has eased significantly from its highs in mid-2022, but remains somewhat elevated relative to our 2% longer-run goal. Estimates based on the Consumer Price Index indicate that total PCE prices rose 2.9% over the 12 months ending in December, and that excluding the volatile food and energy categories, core PCE prices rose 3.0%. These elevated readings largely reflect inflation in the goods sector, which has been boosted by the effects of tariffs. In contrast, disinflation appears to be continuing in the services sector. Near-term measures of inflation expectations have declined from last year's peaks, as reflected in both market and survey-based measures. Most measures of longer-term expectations remain consistent with our 2% inflation goal. Our monetary policy actions are guided by our dual mandate to promote maximum employment and stable prices for the American people. At today's meeting, the committee decided to maintain the target range for the federal funds rate at 3.5% to 3.75%. Since last September, we've lowered our policy rate 75 basis points, or 0.75 of a percentage point, bringing it within a range of plausible estimates of neutral. This normalization of our policy stance should help stabilize the labor market while allowing inflation to resume its downward trend toward 2%. Once the effects of tariff increases have passed through.
This is the worst FOMC I think I've seen ever.
We are well positioned to determine the extent and timing of additional adjustments to our policy rate based on the incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks. Monetary policy is not on a preset course, and we will make our decisions on a meeting-by-meeting basis. To conclude, the Fed has been assigned 2 goals for monetary policy: maximum employment and stable prices. We remain committed to supporting maximum employment, bringing inflation sustainably to our 2% goal, and keeping longer-term inflation expectations well anchored. Our success in delivering on these goals matters to all Americans. We at the Fed will continue to do our jobs with objectivity, integrity, and a deep commitment to serve the American people. Thank you. I look forward to your questions.
Really?
Hi, Chris Rugaber at Associated Press. Thank you.
Associated Press, let's see.
I wanted to ask that, you attended the Supreme Court hearing last week on the Lisa Cook case, and Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent criticized that as political. Can you say why you attended and what you would say in response to the Secretary's criticism?
So let me start with, I don't respond to comments by other officials, whoever they may be. It's just not appropriate to do that. I will tell you why I attended. I would say that that case is
Should we still be watching
the
this?
most important legal case in the Fed's 113-year history. And as I thought about it, I thought it might be hard to explain why I didn't attend. In addition, Paul Volcker went to a Supreme Court case famously in, I guess, 1985 or so. So it's precedented, and I thought it was an appropriate thing, and I did it.
Great. And then just quickly follow on the job market. You mentioned last month that the household survey might be distorted, and you also mentioned the potential for overcounting jobs, which would suggest that we're still in a negative hiring pace. So do you see the drop in the unemployment rate as solid? And what's the basis for saying that things have stabilized?
It's ripping low.
Thank you.
So, yeah, really two questions. One is, so we're getting through the distortions in the data from the shutdown. However big they were in November, they're smaller in December. So we're getting to a place where
He's basically saying the government shutdown is getting better. Like, they're recovering from it. Still a terrible FOMC, bro. Not a single trade today. Not a single trade, chat. Asian session is going to be a banger today, though. On TikTok, though. Not on YouTube. On TikTok. Guys, should I do YouTube Asian sessions? Like, would you guys watch it? Because I feel like only like 200 people would be watching me. Like, I know I average like 1,300 here on PM, but should I switch to YouTube for Asian session as well? Yes, 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 yes. Damn. Damn. I gotta think about it, chat. If so, I'll do it when I come back to my house. But for now, it will be on TikTok. All right, fellas, I'm gonna jump away from PM session. I don't think we're gonna be catching anything. I think that's it for me. FOMC was dead. It was a dud. 2 p.m. didn't do anything. 2:30 p.m. didn't do anything. The talk didn't do anything. I think today we're dropping the day off with 0 trades. 0 trades, chat. So if you guys are on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I live stream every AM and PM session. I know today was boring, but we didn't catch anything, and I'm staying disciplined. Fellas, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 15K subscribers. And yeah, thank you guys so much for joining. I'll be live tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. We'll be live tonight on TikTok around 7:30 p.m. Other than that, we'll finish in prayer, guys, and good discipline today. Thank you guys for watching. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity, Lord. Please be with us, protect us, and glory and praise be to your name. And just help us follow the will you have for us and protect us in the path that we're going down, Lord. And just thank you for everything. Please be with us, glory and praise be to your name. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name we pray. Amen. All right, chat. I'll see you guys Asian session. Other than that, I'll see you guys 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. If you don't want to see me Asian tomorrow. Take care. God bless. Also, tomorrow I am leaving. Before you guys leave, I'm going back home tomorrow. I only can stream AM session. I cannot stream PM. Most likely. Maybe. I think. I don't know what time my flight is. I think my flight's at like 4 p.m. No, 2 p.m. Right? No, I think my flight's earlier. I'll let you guys know in the Discord, but I might not even be able to stream AM session tomorrow. We'll see. And I don't think I'll be able to stream AM session on Friday as well because I'm going to Miami as well. I'm coming back and then I'm going to Miami right away. So I think I should be fine. I think I'll be able to stream AM session tomorrow. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. See you guys during TikTok. I'll let you know then. Take care. God bless you all. Good discipline and peace.